What are you doing right now?
What am I doing? I'm walking and I'm talking to you.
Yeah, so what else? You're shooting the bull. Come on.
And I'm shooting the bull.
Shooting the bulls. You and I just talking. Shooting the bull.
Tell me about that. Tell me about shooting the bull.
Shooting the bull?
Here. Let me.
No. This is my vlog.
let me interview the vlogger. Come on.
No, all right. You. Why don't we be together like this?
Here. Ta-da!
Yeah. So
Here,
shooting the bull. You just be yourself. Be your most energetic version of yourself. This is not a job interview.
Shooting the bull. Be the most energetic version of myself.
Yeah.
Alright, what do you want to know?
What do you want to know? How? What do you do? Do you cry when you fall?
Do I cry when I fall? It depends on how hard I fall.
Yeah.
Sometimes.
When did you stop crying when you fell? How old were you? When you realized that it's just pain and it goes away after a certain amount of time?
I actually didn't. I still cry when I fall. Because it's okay to express that.
Yeah.
Yeah.
PIMA Canyon. We're at PIMA Canyon.
We are at PIMA Canyon.
On Govinda Rangan's YouTube channel.
Uh-huh.
You're live. We're going to be on...
Look at that view.
Yeah. Look at that. That becomes a tripod, by the way. So if we go up, you can sit down and talk in front of the camera. And we can vlog. And we can make jokes. And we fly drones.
Okay. Govinda, as a manager of the channel,
yeah.
Tell me, how did you get into making your channel? What inspired you? What inspired you to make your channel?
Back in 2015.
Let's go this way. Looks like it's a little clearer.
So the whole business, the channel business, has been going since 2015. And basically YouTube, that's part of the practice. Right now, that's my business.
That's your business, huh?
Many people contribute and are growing, see what I'm about, and commenting, getting a lot of good comments.
A lot of good comments.
I gotta start doing live streams and stuff.
Okay.
So that's what's gonna get people watching.
Nice.
So, yeah. So, do you have a channel? You have a YouTube channel?
I don't.
You should start one.
I went down that road. Not for me.
What happened?
I realized I'm more of a writer, a painter.
Yeah, you should turn the camera towards you.
I sparkle in different arts.
Yeah. Nice. Anyway, we're gonna continue hiking up here, and we're gonna get an aerial view of what's going on over here. So we'll see you then. So we're here almost at the top. I'm just sitting here against some rocks and stuff.
Yeah, I hadn't heard.
Thank you.
Danke.
Got water from my friend.
Actually, it's more than that. It's danke something. Danke schön. Danke. It's like merci beaucoup. Thank you very much.
This is
like
good.
In German, it's
We need this right now when we're at on top of a mountain.
Danke. Pizza.
We need this.
Pizza. Kira.
All yours. We're ready to go to the top. It's still a drone waiting to fly. Alright, so we are at the top of Pima County Trail. It's absolutely gorgeous. I got my DJI Mavic 3. It's filming right now, actually. You can see it up here. It's absolutely a beautiful area. Yeah, we're gonna continue getting some drone footage here because we have a little bit more battery left. And yeah, it's absolutely beautiful. I'm gonna try some of the tracking features with the Mavic 3 here. And yeah, we'll take it from there, folks. It's absolutely nice. And yeah, beautiful. Alright, we're going heading back down now. It's a very nice place up there. So we're beginning to head down. My drone's up there following me. Good boy, Dodger.